If the sound in your VLC Media Player suddenly stops working on your PC, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through every proven fix for VLC's audio problems. By the end of this video, you'll have your sound back up and running, and you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot audio issues anytime they pop up in the future. Let's get right into it, starting with checking VLC's own internal settings. This is often the quickest win, and it's easy to overlook. First, open up VLC and look down at the bottom right corner for the little speaker icon. If you see a red X over it, or if the volume bar is all the way to the left, that means your audio is either muted or set to 0. Just click the icon to unmute it, or drag the slider up. It's surprising how often this fixes the problem. Think of it like checking if the TV's volume is actually turned up before fiddling with anything else. Next, let's delve a bit deeper into VLC's preferences. At the top of the window, click Tools, then Preferences, or for a shortcut, just press Ctrl+P. In the Preferences, find the Audio tab. Now, you want to make sure the Enable Audio box is checked. This setting controls whether VLC even tries to play sound at all. So if it's unchecked, nothing else will work. Click Save, then restart VLC for good measure. Sometimes changes need a quick reboot to take effect. While you're inside VLC, also check which audio track is currently in use. This matters especially for files with multiple tracks, like movies in different languages. During playback, head up to the menu bar and click Audio, then Audio Track. You'll see a list. Pick the main track, often called Track 1. If sound still won't play, try toggling the track off and then back on. Occasionally, this is enough to jog the audio back into action, much like turning a light switch off and on when the bulb flickers. If tweaking those settings hasn't worked, sometimes preferences inside VLC get a bit tangled. There's a handy Reset Preferences button at the bottom left of the Preferences window. Click it, confirm your choice, close VLC, and reopen it. This returns everything to factory defaults. And don't worry, you won't lose your playlists or favorites. Now, let's move outside VLC and double-check your Windows sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and open up the volume mixer. In Mixer, look for VLC Media Player specifically. Make sure its volume isn't muted or set super low. Each app in Windows has its own volume, so VLCs could be muted even if everything else sounds fine. Next up, double-check which output device Windows is using for sound. Still by the speaker icon, right-click and go to Sound Settings. Make sure your speakers or headphones are selected as the default device. Windows sometimes switches to another option if you've plugged in new hardware recently. So if, say, HDMI output is selected and you're actually using headphones, you may not hear anything at all. If you're still stuck, Windows has a built-in audio troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find the one for playing audio and let it run. It'll automatically scan for common problems and sometimes fix things right away. Finally, let's tackle a few advanced fixes. Make sure you're running the latest version of VLC. Outdated software can have trouble with newer file formats. Hit Help, then check for updates, and follow the steps to install anything new. If you're using specific audio output modules, head back into Preferences, then Audio, and try switching the output module to options like WaveOut or DirectX Audio Output. Sometimes changing this setting bypasses hardware quirks or compatibility issues, and if sound problems only show up with certain files, those files might be corrupted or use unusual codecs. In those cases, you can try repairing the file with a video repair tool, or use VLC's built-in convert feature to reformat it to something more common like MP4. That's it. Follow these steps, and your VLC should be back to normal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or hit a snag on any step, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and best of luck fixing your sound.